Okay, all right. If you used to post a lot on Instagram, take a lot of days to go plan your footage to be able to have a presence online on Instagram. Let me tell you that it's about to change because this AI tool you see on the screen right here is going to do the work for you. So, what it is as an AI tool? So, this AI tool generate photos for you in different formats. You take one photo and then you see right here you're gonna have different style of the photo. Let me show you inside how this AI tool works. Okay, I want to warn you something here. You need to have the paid version to have access to this AI tool. But I did a sacrifice for you guys here, and then I paid that for you just to show you inside what it look like and if it's worth you paying the price. Well, let's have a look before you go and buy anything. Let's see how it looks like on Instagram. And as you see on the screen here, guys, honestly, it look like real person online. So you may go in line and find those beautiful ladies. Be careful. See here, you can create an entire Instagram page using this AI photos. Now, this is how your dashboard look like. When you're gonna go inside, they're gonna ask you to pick a style. You see, you have different style you can be able to use. I choose the one with only 12 sides to show it to you guys here, and you can choose whichever you want. There is 22, there is even more. So when you go, you're gonna go next here, and you see here the next step is going to be the term and condition, what you have to do, what you don't have to do, and last steps to understand the term and condition and go next. So now when it's done, it's going to ask you to download your photo. It's going to start uploading the photos. As you see here, it's going to choose the one that is selected and the one that the AI is going to decline automatically. When it's done, the rest is very simple. They're going to ask you to choose your ethnicity. I'm going to choose here the one that I'm from, and you go here, understand, and boom. Here is going to generate 96 photos of male person that I am from the one that I generate, from the one that I gave to the system right here. So let's have a look. Okay, this is the result. So you may want to be able to check each photos. If it's here, they generated to me many photos that I can use for my Instagram. I can post different format of those photos. And then to be honest, like from what I put inside to get those results, those look pretty familiar to me. Like this one, for example, is kind of a photo that I produced too. And then if I click on this one, you also have the option you can download just right here, or you can gonna see you're gonna have the option to play around and choose which format you want for your photos. Honestly, guys, those photos was gonna take me a lot of time. So, and honestly, guys, if you want to be able to build a presence online before Instagram, this is a go for you. This AI tool is a go for you. You can go and try to use that today. You can those photos that I got from the AI tool here. I can be able to produce many photos as I wanted. So I'm able to check it out. Go try that today. It's called go on this platform, and you're gonna be able to use it as soon as that you can. I hope this video brought you a lot of values. If you want to be able to check it, the link's gonna be in the description. Tell me what you think about this one because it's not really popular right now. You may come across some Instagram looking like this. So you really want to be able to check that. You save a lot of time if you're an influencer. You want to be able to, like maximize your time. So this might be a tool you want to be able to use. Thank you so much for your time, and I see you in 2 days for another AI tool. Especially the one's gonna be next, gonna be about generating income with AI and YouTube Shorts. So you want to be able to check that right here.